Hello everyone. I wanted to show y'all this cute little lunchbox I picked up at the Japanese grocery store. It was $3.99, which I thought was a very, very good rate. It's a cute little bear. It has this little strap that comes on it that holds it. It has 2 layers. This white layer has a lid. You could put fruits or rice or vegetables, a little sandwich, some cheese or crackers. You could put your other snacks in the bottom. The top seals it in. And you add your cover. Add your little strap to hold it all together. Very cute little lunchbox. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a nice day.